Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a video from Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the conversation where you want to send your video. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group conversation. Simply tap on the conversation to open it, and you'll be taken to your message thread where you can see your chat history and begin the process of sharing your video. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find several icons for different messaging options. Look for the image icon, which typically looks like a photo or gallery symbol. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This is your gateway to accessing all the media stored on your device, including photos and videos that you can share directly within your conversation. After tapping the image icon, your device's gallery will open up automatically. This gallery displays all the media files you have saved on your phone, organized either by date or by albums depending on your settings. You'll be able to scroll through your videos and photos to find exactly what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse through your content and locate the specific video you want to share in this conversation. Now, once you've found the video you want to send, simply tap on it to select it. After selecting your video, you'll notice a send button appears on your screen. This button is usually prominently displayed and clearly labeled, making it easy to proceed with sharing your content. Go ahead and tap the send button, and your video will immediately begin uploading to the conversation. Depending on the size of your video and your internet connection speed, this might take a few seconds or a bit longer, but the app will handle everything automatically in the background. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video through Facebook Messenger, allowing you to share memorable moments, funny clips, or important content with your contacts quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.